Hi guys, in this video I'll be showing you how I achieved this dark mode splash screen in Figma. So let's get started. The first step is to bring out your frame. I'll be using the MacBook Pro 14 frame. So now that we have our frame ready, the next thing we want to do is to give it a name. Guys, always name your frame because it makes your work easier and it helps you locate your frame easily in your design tree. So I'm naming mine splash screen. You can give it any name you like. Then after naming it, you want to change the color of the frame, the background color of the frame. I chose black because it's a dark mode design. And the next thing to do is to drag out another frame and set it to the width of 245 and the height of 982. Then drag it inside your main frame and duplicate it 5 times. 5 times plus the first frame, that's making 6, right? So now select all the frames and give them the spacing of 9. Then drag it out of your, select them and drag them out of your main frame. Now right click and click on the frame selection option. So now we have all those frames in a single frame now. Then drag your image. Make sure you have your image ready before you start designing. Drag your image and place it on top of the frame. Make sure the image is on top of the frame. If it is not on top, you might not get what you really want to do. You want to mask the image. So if the image is inside the frame, you won't be able to mask it. So make sure it is on top of the frame. Check your design tree to be sure it is on top. Then after that, move to the top and click on the circle-like icon. Now we've masked our image. Now drag the image inside your main frame. Now center it horizontally and vertically. Now we're done with this one. The next step is to write out the name of your website. The name of this website is Modella. Now frame the text and drag it inside your main image. Make sure the text is not inside the masked image, your main frame. Make sure the text is not inside the masked image. I'm sure you're wondering why it turned blue. It's because the text was placed inside the masked image. Make sure it is on top of it and not inside it. Okay, so now this other frame we should have on ground. Make sure you've designed this one before even starting the design process. And place it, we want it to pop up at the end of the animation, right? So now you place it inside your main frame. Make sure it is well aligned both vertically and horizontally. Then you move it inside the main frame. Now that we are done with that, you want to duplicate your main frame. Then remember we framed this text the other time. Now drag the frame from the end to the beginning of the text. Then clip content. Now we've hidden the text. Now click on the plus icon in front of fill. Then increase the number to 93. What we want to do is that we want the image to be darker. Now move to the second frame and click on that same plus icon and reduce the number to 49. I think 49 is okay. Then duplicate your screen again and drag the frame holding the text, then clip content just like we did in the first frame the other time. But now I think we're done with this part. Then now start clicking on those individual frames that we framed the other time. Start clicking on them and move them up and down. We've moved to the first one up, moved the second frame down. Now the third one should go up, the fourth one should come down, the fifth frame should go up, and the sixth frame should come down. What we did is that we moved them inside this our main frame. Now they're not visible, but they are still there. We just move them inside. So duplicate your frame again, and remember the frame that we moved inside our main frame the other time. Now bring it out, move it out again. So now I think we're done. This is the final step, prototyping. Switch to prototype now and start connecting them. Click on it, set it to after delay linear and make it 1200 milliseconds. That's for the first screen. The second screen is also after delay. Then this time around is out and it's still 1200 milliseconds. The third frame is also after delay, is out. This time around, the after delay timing will be set to 100 because we want the frame to pop out really fast. Then set it to smart animate 1200 milliseconds. Now let's see what we've done. The modeler is not supposed to come out this way. It's supposed to open up, not come out this way. I think we've made a mistake, so let's check what the mistake is. Okay, I've seen where the problem is. Before I forgot to clip clip the frame holding this modeler in the second frame. I forgot to clip. Now I've clipped it. Let's see let's see the outcome. Okay, so this is what we want. This is how we want it to be. We want the frame to open up, and I think this is it. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.